what else to say about the drive. It's just, it feels kind of surreal in a way, because again, it's like meeting a celebrity, you know. That for me is something you don't really get anymore with new cars. And
ang iba, siguro go na. Let's go. Ang sensitive ng manibela, no? Parang nasa yate ka lang, oh, pag nagda-drive. Alam mo, una ko napansin dito, the best yung comfort ng suspension, no? Tsaka tahimik, grabe. Parang nasa outer space.
So I was genuinely worried about the dimensions of this. We're driving around a very crowded area in Quezon City. We are not in the ideal stomping grounds of a Cybertruck. In fact, if you could pick the one place a Cybertruck does not want to go, it's probably the bowels of Quezon City. But yet here we are, trying to maneuver our way through, but it's silent. Very, very quiet.
Oh. Tsaka nakaano tayo kaswabe, quad steering wheel. Para mas maging nimble. Kamusta? Nagustuhan nyo ba? Kamusta yung itsura?
Money heist, eme.
Magliligpit ng mga tao, ang daming kasya eh.
And we're not like in insanity mode or anything like that. We're just in basic, regular Quezon City mode. Secondary road. Didn't want to break the speed limit. We just wanted to get to the speed limit as quickly as we could, and that was pretty fast. That's pretty good. That's good. Profile truck. And it is such a cultural icon already. Immediately, like it was born a cultural icon. That's very rare.